Hello everyone, this is Sneha Saha. We are from the Department of Microbiology from Vijaygarh Jyotish College. So today we have brought up a model which implies bioactive bioplastics from WCO, that is waste cooking oil. So our model is basically to cater a day-to-day life problem, which is the use of synthetic plastic bags. As we know, the plastic bag takes millions of years, rather centuries, to fragment, to ferment, and also it leaves behind microplastics, which we know is a very health hazarding problem in today's world, as it infiltrates into the food chain and the ecosystem. So we have tried to bring out an alternative to the garbage bags or the traditional synthetic polymers. And so the alternative is bioactive bioplastics from waste cooking oil.
So my name is Soujanya Ghosh Dastidar. Here we are extracting oil from restaurants and homes. Then we are purifying the oil here in bioreactor, and then we are collecting PHB from Cuprevitus necator, which is a bacteria species, and here we are microsieving it. And then after microsieving the PHB, we are melt blending it, and then we are converting it PHB into sheets, from which we are actually making the plastics. Here is a lyophilizer, and we are actually here is a microbial. We are preparing a microbial consortium which will help to make an inner layer in the plastic, which will ultimately help to degrade the waste as well as the plastic in home composting condition.
Hi, I am Risha Naskar. We are glad to attend a science fair organized by BITM. It will be a great exposure for us.
We are highly obliged and esteemed to attend such an auspicious exhibition in BITM. It's my first time in BITM, and if this type of exhibition among such privileged professors, seniors and chief guests. The model which we have prepared on bioplastics, it's basically a very sustainability model, because in today's world we feel sustainable biogarbage bags is very impactful to the environment, and we have brought this proposal to the government, and thank you.